Thinking about opening a liquor store? Here are the 9 steps, from license to layout, to launch with confidence. Practical steps you can trust, built from real retail experience. For a deeper dive, grab our free ebook, Planning a Retail Store Layout. It's your guide for turning your space into a well-designed, revenue-driving store. Link in the description. Step 1. Research and planning. Study your market to understand competition and demand. Decide if you'll carry a broad selection or specialize in craft beers, fine wines, or premium spirits. Map it out in a business plan that covers your market, financials, and operations. It's your guide for the journey. Step 2. Financing your store. Startup costs vary. Inventory, rent, utilities, licenses, fixtures, and marketing. Cover them with savings, investors, or small business loans. A solid business plan makes financing conversations easier and approvals faster. Step 3. Licensing and permits. Start licensing early. Rules and timelines vary by state and city. Confirm required alcohol permits plus local zoning, signage, and occupancy. A legal or compliance expert can save time. Step 4. Location. Location can make or break your store. Prioritize visibility, easy access, parking, and security sightlines. Make the lease contingent on liquor approval and zoning. Step 5. Designing your store. A good layout keeps customers browsing longer. At DGS Retail, we offer free store design services to maximize your space. If you already know your layout, our online configurator can calculate your gondola shelving setup automatically. Step 6. Outfitting your store. Shelving and fixtures don't just hold products, they sell them. DGS Retail creates polished professional environments without breaking your budget. From gondola shelving and liquor displays to checkout counters, security doors, and signage, we offer everything you need to launch in style. Step 7. Stocking inventory. Variety is key. Balance top sellers with local favorites and seasonal specials. Track turns with POS data and distributor insight to keep shelves fresh and profitable. Step 8. Marketing and launch. Before opening, build buzz on social media by claiming your business listings, posting construction updates, and teasing promos. If allowed, host tastings or a launch event, and follow up with loyalty offers to keep customers coming back. Step 9. Opening day and beyond. Opening day is your milestone. Be ready, greet customers, and make a strong first impression. Remember, consistency after day 1 is what builds long-term success. For expert help designing your store, DGS Retail is here. Click below to start with our free design service, and don't forget to subscribe for more retail tips from DGS Academy.